Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Notaro. Today we're going to work on our Journeys Lesson 24 phonics. These are words with vowel combinations OI, OY, AU, and AW. You're going to need a pencil, your reader's notebook, page 144, and the decodable reader, which is attached as a PDF, Dawn's Voice. So the word boy ends with the oi sound. Say the word with me and listen for the sound at the end. Ba-oy, boy. The letters OY stand for oi sound. So now we're going to look at words with OI in it. The word join means to take part in a group activity. So there's the fish, and he's joining the other group of fish, and it says join us. So when we say the word join, we're saying join, join. The OI makes that oi sound. Coin. We have been learning about coins in math. See if you can recognize any coins in that picture. Now we go to OY. Oi, toy. So the OY at the end of toy makes that oi sound. What's your favorite toy? Then we have the word joy. Another OY at the end to make that oi sound. Joy is another word for happiness. Okay, now we're going to move on to the aw sound. The word saw ends with the aw sound. Say the word with me and listen for the sound at the end. S-aw, saw. The letters AU stand for the aw sound in the middle of the word launch, like when a rocket launches. Read the word with me. L-a-n-ch, launch. AW at the end of straw makes the ah sound. St-ra-ah, straw. You can drink out of a cup with a straw. The word draw has the AW at the end for the ah sound. Draw, draw. I know many of you guys like to draw pictures. Now we go into the word haul. Now we have the AU in the middle of haul to make that ah sound. And the word haul means to pull or drag with force. So if you can see that big truck is hauling tractors. It's pulling those tractors on the back of the truck. Then we have the word pause. The AU in pause makes that ah sound. Pa-ahs, pause. And the word pause means a temporary stop. Like you would pause your TV, you press the pause button on the remote, or you would pause your video, and then you can restart it. Okay, now you're going to turn to page 144 in your reader's notebook. You're going to read each word in the row. Then you're going to circle the two words in each row that have the same sound and write the letters that stand for that sound. So remember, your letters are OI, OY that make that oi sound, or AU and AW that makes that ah sound. So let's do the first one together. My three words are coins, coats, and join. So there's coins, coats, and join. Which two words in that row had that same vowel sound? That's correct. Coins and join. They had that oi sound. And so I would write in OI for coins and OI for join. And now you're going to do 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember to circle each word in the row that had the same sounds. You're going to have two words circled, and then you're going to write in the letters that make that sound. Okay, and the last thing you're going to do is read the decodable reader, Dawn's voice. Many of the words in the story have the OY, OI, AW, and AU. And in the story, you will read about a girl who uses a loud voice and a quiet voice. While you're reading the story, write down any words that you find that have OY, OI, AW, or AU. So remember the OY makes that OI, AW makes that AW sound. Remember, boys and girls, we're in this together, and we certainly miss you. Have a great day.